Hey guys, welcome back. It's Breck, and today we are going to be opening another box from Universal Yums. Whoa, it's hot out there, guys! Pete the cat's rocking his purple shoes, purple shoes. Hey guys, I just got new purple shoes, and that's why I'm singing my song. Welcome back to Unboxing with Breck. And today we're going to be opening another box from Universal Yums. And what I do here is I unbox stuff, like little snack foods from different countries around the world. And I get that from this company called Universal Yums. So the clue to this box is this, and I'm about to read it. May will bring flowers, the saying holds true. There'll be jasmines and orchids in every bright hue. But even more stunning are these countries' natural flavors. From sweet yams to coconuts, there's oodles to savor. I'm so excited, guys, and I can't wait to see what we got. So, let's see what we got. We got the Philippines. So, these books are books that hold information about the snacks in the box and fun facts about the countries. And then on the back of the books have the clue to the next box to help get a little hint to guess what country we're going to get next. And here's some trivia questions. Let's see if you know the answers. Philippine ketchup is made with bananas. What? I mean, honestly, since I don't like tomatoes that much, I would probably love banana ketchup. Filipino athletes invented the volleyball spike. What? Who knew? A Philippine zoo offers guests python massages? Who would want that? The Philippines is home to the world's largest all of the above? What? That's so cool. Filipinos account for over 25% of the world's overseas nurses? That's really surprising. So, we learned those fun trivia questions, and now we're going to start taste testing the foods. So, I'm going to start with these little egg bites. Where are my scissors here? Woo! Pop! So, wow, they're called egg bites. That is so weird. They literally smell like fresh baked cookies. Yum. That's honestly really good. They literally taste like cookies without chocolate chips, just like miniature cookies. Okay, so next I'm gonna try the Boy Bawang Cornic. I think that's pretty sure that's like corn stuff, maybe something tastes like corn. Oh yeah, there's little corn nuts. They smell kind of like spicy corn. They're okay and they taste definitely very flavorful. They taste kind of just like corn and stuff. Just like hard corn. There's a lot of flavor. It's like a flavor of corn, but I feel like it's kind of like the flavor of chips too. I don't know what chips, but yeah. Now I'm gonna try these the Kia Cheesy Puffs. Oh my god, Cheetos are my favorite. They literally look like Cheetos. I'm mistaken. Oh my god, they're literally like mini Cheetos. Tastes like a different type of cheese. It tastes like, I want to say cheddar cheese, but I don't think so. It just tastes like a different type of cheese, but it's actually really good. Now I'm gonna try this fudge bar. Oh, and there's no yum bag in this one. They're still really good foods. Whew, cut off a little bit of the top there. Okay, so it's in like a kind of like cupcake package thingy, and it's like huge. Kind of looks like just green dyed cake. Oh my god, that's so good. It literally tastes like avocado bread or something. I don't know. That's so good. And then there's like creamy filling in the middle. That's honestly really good. And now I'm gonna move on to the cup. Pretty sure that says cake. Cupcake, but it's like spelled differently. I wonder if I can pop this. I'm too weak. You know what? I'm going with the scissors. Everything that I've tasted so far, there's like chips and there's like a lot of cake stuff. Let's get this out. It looks just like the last one, that purple. And again, it's like a cupcake. Smells like bread. It honestly tastes like a cupcake, but like grape flavored. That's honestly really cool. So now I'm moving on to this shortbread. Okay. So good. It doesn't really smell like anything. Maybe kind of like sugar and flour. It tastes like kind of like doughy, but when you put it in your mouth and you start chewing it, then it melts in your mouth, and it's so cool. And it tastes so good. So now I'm moving on to the last thing, which is the Choco Mancho. That sounds like it could be like a Spanish song. Taco Mancho, Taco Mancho. Oh my god, this looks so good. It looks like a Hershey's cookie and cream bar. It smells like chocolate. This is so good. There's like crunchy brown stuff in the middle, and it tastes like chocolate, and then there's like pretty sure white chocolate on the outside with little balls of like chocolate stuff. I don't know what it is, but it tastes so good. But yeah, I really liked that. But yeah, we're done this box. And now we are going to see what the clue to the next box is. Our next stop is home to Tales We've Adored, about wizards, detectives, and and a knight and his sword. But when it comes to the yums, we have a prediction. You'll love the toffees and crisps just as much as the fiction. So like wizards, detectives, a knight. When I think of like a knight and his sword, I think of like a prince. And when I think of a prince, I think of a queen. When I think of a queen, I think of England. So I'm thinking maybe England. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys like this video. Bye!